Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to add Lottie animation in Webflow. Log into your Webflow account and open the project where you want to add the Lottie animation. In the Webflow editor, locate the area where you want to add the Lottie animation. Click on the plus icon to open the Elements panel. Scroll down through the Elements panel until you find the Lottie animation option. Click on it to select it for insertion onto your page. After adding the Lottie animation element to your page, click on the image icon within the element. This will prompt you to upload your Lottie animation file from your computer. Drag and drop the Lottie animation file into the designated area or click to browse your files and select the animation file. After uploading the animation file, click on the home icon or navigate back to the main view of your Webflow project. Find the Lottie animation element you added to your page. Click on it to select it, then locate the preview animation option. Here you can choose various playback options such as built-in duration, loop, or play in reverse. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.